Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by conditioning the clay so it behaves predictably. Knead until soft, not greasy. Take a small black ball for the body and a slightly smaller white oval for the belly. This contrast defines the penguin. Once done, flatten the white into an oval and gently press it onto the black body, smoothing the seam with your thumb. Make sure to remove fingerprints with a damp sponge. This preserves clean lines and helps paint adhesion later. Next, you focus on facial and limb details because they give character. Roll a smaller black sphere for the head and fuse it to the body with a gentle twist. This ensures a strong joint. For the beak, shape an orange wedge and press slightly into the face so it holds. For feet, flatten 2 small teardrops under the body. Once attached, refine wing curvature by thinning edges and smoothing. This creates natural shadow lines after baking or curing. To finish, follow the clay brand's curing steps precisely. Temperature and time matter to avoid burning. After curing, add tiny glossy eyes and, if needed, a light coat of varnish for shine. If cracks or gaps appear, recondition a small amount of clay and press into seams, or inject liquid clay, then cure again. This fixes weak joins. Finally, check balance and trim excess. If the penguin tips, slightly flatten the base and recure so it stands reliably.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.